Okay, let's do quiz number 30. So here we've got, the first thing to notice on this problem is that we have a, I gotta go do my thing again, is to notice that this knot and that knot cancel each other out, and these two cancel each other out as well. So we can just look at A ANDed with B, and B ORed with C. So when A and B are 0, that's going to be a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. And then A or B or C, this is going to give us 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. And then we're going to simply AND those together. So F should be the AND of these two together. So 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. That is the solution to the first problem. Okay, so we'll come down here to the second problem, and we have A, B, and C. So if we have A ANDed with B and then not C, and then we're going to XOR those together. So A ANDed with B, so A is 0, 0, we AND those together, we get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. And then not C, we're just going to invert the C column here. So we'll have a 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And then we're going to XOR those together. So XOR is going to be 0 if they're the same and 1 if they're different. So 0, 0 and 1 are different. So that's going to be 1, 0 and 0 are the same. So that'll be 0, and then 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, like that. And then the third problem, again, we're going to XOR A and C. So this is going to be A XOR C. So let's just look again. These need to be different. So A and C here are the same. Here they're different. They're the same. They're different. Different. The same. Different. They're the same. And then here we're going to XOR, but then not it. So this is going to be A XOR, or no, I'm sorry, B XOR C, and then we're going to not those together. I'm sorry. So this is going to be B XOR C not. So again, these are going to be 1 if they're the same and 0 if they're different. So B and C here are the same, so we're going to get 1. And then they're different, so we're going to get 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, now we're going to we have to, for this final stage, we're going to invert both of those signals and then OR them together. So when we invert those together, or let's invert and then OR. So 0, 1 here gives us a 1, 0. We OR those together, and we're going to get a 1. 1, 0 gives us 0, 1. We OR them together, we get a 1. 0, 0, OR them together, we get 1, 1. 1, 1, we not those would be 0, 0. We OR them, we'll get 0. 1, 1 gives us a 0, 0. We OR them, we get 0. 0, 0, we not those, we get 1, 1. OR them together, we get 1. 1, 0, we not those, we get 0, 1. We OR them together, we get 1. 0, 1, we not those, and we get 1, 0. We OR them together, and we get 1. Okay, so there's the solution to problem